In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide your ribbon in PowerPoint. This is a handy feature if you're looking to maximize your workspace while working on your presentation. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet effective trick. First things first, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer, locate the PowerPoint application on your desktop or in your applications folder and double click to launch it. Make sure everything is up and running smoothly. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you're currently working on or the one you want to edit. Open that file so we can begin customizing your workspace. Now, with your presentation open, direct your attention to the ribbon, the toolbar at the top of your window. You might notice that this ribbon contains various tabs and tools that you regularly use like Home, Insert, Design, and others. Here's where you'll make the necessary adjustments. Find an empty space somewhere on this ribbon. It's okay if it's not immediately apparent, but there's typically a bit of empty real estate up there. Once you find it, right click on this empty space. A context menu will appear and you'll see several different options that you can choose from. What you're looking for is an option that says collapse the ribbon. Click on this and voila! Your ribbon should now be hidden, which means more screen space to focus on your slide content without distraction. Now let's say you want to bring the ribbon back so you can access all your tools and options once again. This is just as straightforward as the first steps we took. Simply navigate back to the top of your screen, where the ribbon used to be, click on that same area, and you'll see the option to collapse the ribbon once again. Go ahead and click it to uncheck the option, and just like that the ribbon reappears in its full glory. With these easy steps you've learned how to control the visibility of your ribbon in PowerPoint, streamlining your workspace as needed. This can be especially useful during presentations when you want a clean viewing area or when working on design elements and you need a little extra room. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll start experimenting with these features on your own projects. Remember, knowing how to navigate and customize your workspace makes you not only more efficient but also more comfortable as you bring your PowerPoint presentations to life. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.